Hello and welcome to this YouTube video. In this video, we are going to focus on AWS Cloud Certification question and interview questions. This is video number 4. If you are new to this channel, feel free to go and subscribe to this channel and also watch other videos. Before we go ahead, I would like to highlight that if you are interested in cracking the DevOps interview, then check out the description of this video where I have given you special links for my Udemy course which you can take. These courses have been taken more than 20,000 students and has been rated the 5-star course in Udemy. Check out the description for the discounted videos. Let us now jump into our question. The question is, your company is analyzing large datasets stored in Amazon S3 using AWS Athena. You need to optimize query performance and reduce cost. The datasets are stored as raw JSON files and you are considering converting them to a more efficient format. Additionally, you want to partition the data to improve query performance. Which approach should you take to achieve these goals? Let us see the options quickly. We have the option convert the data to Parquet format and compress it using gzip, partition the raw JSON data by date and compress it using gzip, convert the data to CSV format and partition it by data, convert the data to Parquet format and partition it by date. Now, all the 4 options might look confusing for you, but there are some things that are very common here and let us try to understand that. To begin with, let us try to understand what are the services that we are dealing with. First is Amazon S3 and AWS Athena. Then the data sets are stored in a raw JSON format is what they are telling me. What is our goal here is to have a query performance and reduce costs and also partition the data to improve the query performance. Now we are dealing with Parquet format, JSON format and CSV format in the question. But what are these 3 formats? Let us quickly try to understand that. Here I have highlighted different data formats. For JSON data format, it is hierarchical structure and key value pair. We have to remember this. The CSV format is table format and row and columns format. A Parquet format is columnar storage and it is vertical blocks of data. In general, we are aware that the performance of Parquet format is always better than JSON and CSV. Now, sometimes CSV can be better than JSON, but that depends on the data that we are dealing with. One thing is for sure is Parquet format is the best chosen format for any kind of data compression and better query performance. With this information, let us try to see the options that we have in the question. Now, let us try to understand a few things. We know that JSON and CSV are not our option. So, these 2 options can be deleted or can be ignored. Now we have the option convert the data to Parquet format and compress it using gzip. Then convert the data to Parquet format and partition it by date. Observe both the option carefully. Convert the data to Parquet format and compress it using gzip. Well, there is the option of Parquet format, but we are compressing using gzip. There is the other part of the question, that is partition the data to improve query performance. When using the gzip compression, we are not partitioning the data. So this option is also wrong. Finally, we have this option, that is convert the data to Parquet format. Definitely, this is the chosen option. Then partition it by date. So this is the right answer. So when the data that lands in the S3 bucket, we have the S3 bucket here, we will have a date here, 10/01/1995, for example. In this, we will have the name of the file .parquet format. This is how the data will be stored. So this is partition by date and the file is in data format. Well, that is it for this particular question. Speak with you in the next video. Thank you.